Hey guys, welcome back to Technoventures, and this is episode 7, and this is the third part of the special unboxing videos. We are going to unbox the ROG and Gundam collaboration PC parts. I got the RX 782 keyboard right here that we will unbox for this video. So again, it's still wrapped in plastic, so that's really nice.
Nice.
So I'm going to take the plastic out now and observe our box. So here is our keyboard. This is the ROG Strix Scope TKL Gundam LTD mechanical gaming keyboard. We got the MX Cherry Blue switches. So that's really loud, clicky, and tactile. The ROG Strix Scopes has our sync, and take a look at our box, guys. I really like the box. I'm gonna preserve it and not throw these things away. They look really nice to display. Again, our Gundam mobile suit background and text and ROG logo, they all look really nice. They have this holographic effect. So that's it. I'm going to unbox it. Let's take a look at what's inside of our box. Unlike the box of the mouse, this thing is really easier to open up. And here is our keyboard. Hey! Again, same reaction from when I opened my ROG Fortune. The logo of the ROG at the front and everything else is black. Premium look, matte finished, premium feel. Yes! So here's our keyboard. Bum, 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 bum. Again, it has some cushion on top. Here is our keyboard. Let's take that out. What's inside of our box? It's more organized this time because our warranty card, quick start guide, and stickers are wrapped in plastic all in one. So that's about it for our box. Oh! Wow! We have our USB Type A to USB Type C cable. Let's put this down. Let's put this down and take a look at our plugs, the USB Type A and USB Type C. They have this really nice gold finish look. They look really nice. Wow. And the best part, let's take a look at our keyboard. Ooh, oh, hey. Take a look at that, guys. It's a TKL. Oh, sorry. That looks really nice. We have the EFSF spacebar right here, the air filtration space force. The color combination looks really nice. It doesn't feel out of place. Yeah, that looks really nice. And we have the ROG logo right here, the Gundam head right here. We have our media keys here, our F1 to F4 keys, F12 keys over here. The keys feels nice. It's matte finished and I really like the color combination right here. I'm going to get my RX 782 Gunpla that I built sometime last year, and take a look at that. Take a look at that. Wow. Take a look at that. This guy feels right at home over here. We have the ROG name at the bottom of our keyboard. The finish feels nice. I think this is aluminum. We have our ROG eye right here, and it has some tape over it. We're going to peel that out. Yeah, nice. Here's the front of the keyboard. Looks really great, like the white finish. The white, blue, red, yellow color combinations. And at the back, we have our keyboard stands. Ooh, I almost didn't recognize that this is where we put our USB Type-C cable. Let's feel the Cherry MX Blue switches. Yes. Yes. Feels really clicky and tactile. Again, this is the Cherry MX Blue. Yep, this is the Cherry MX Blue. that feels nice. So again, this is our keyboard. Take a nice look at our keyboard. It's really light for a TKL keyboard. I think it's as light as the ROG Falcon, but we won't be talking about that because we are here to talk about the ROG Gundam Strix Scope TKL gaming keyboard. So that's about it. We have unboxed it. I don't know what else to say because I am out of words for this. For this. I am out of words. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like more videos like this, you can like and subscribe on my FB page and YouTube channel. I will link them down below. And if you have any questions, comments, tips, you can comment down and I will try to leave you a reply. Again, this is the part 3 of the unboxing of the ROG Gundam collaboration. I still have lots of parts to unbox, so stay tuned for those unboxing videos. I hope you guys will like them as much as I like unboxing them because I am excited to unbox all of them tonight. Hopefully I can unbox all of them tonight. Again, thank you for staying tuned on this channel. Hope to see you guys in my next video.